25th of June, this is next Friday. So this is a pretty important level to take a look at. So 25th of June carries significant importance as it may assist Ethereum in reaching its all-time high range, potentially. But in the past, it's done the exact opposite. So according to Skew, 646,300 ETH options will undergo expiration on the 25th of June, which is worth over $1.5 billion in open interest. And some people may say, well, who cares? Because it's only 1.5 billion and Ethereum is like way beyond that. But just like we saw with Iron Finance, when you just see a bunch of sales going on, even whales, people who have a lot of that cryptocurrency, and in this case, options. Once you start seeing things just go sideways or go down, people start selling. It seems like everybody starts to sell. So it is a domino effect, and sometimes it is what it is. Sometimes it's an overvalued asset, or sometimes it's just panic selling. Whatever you want to call it, it could not be good news potentially for Ethereum as things start to slide off. So this is what we're gonna have to look at. Expiry is 33% larger than the one that took place on 26th of March. And here's how the market unfolded after that first quarterly expiration. And what I'm gonna do, let me blow this up so you can see what I see. So here, we're looking at 2021. We're talking about March 26th. See, there's a little bit of just kind of like went down, down, down. And then that essentially is what happened as far as like it just kind of took a little bit of a dip. 5 days prior to the expiry, Ethereum's value had dropped 15% in the charts. However, between 26th of March and 15th of April, ETH's price surged by 60%. So down, down, down as all the expiration wins came about, and then boom, just started to take off, and then off we go. So be aware of what's going on here, because a lot of people will they'll look at it and go, okay, well, we just lost 15%, 20%, whatever else it is, and they start to panic sell and everybody starts to sell. But if you take a look at the history, not like it's going to definitely happen again. Remember, this is investment opinion, not investment advice. You can see what happened in the past. So we had a bit of a drop and then it just kind of took off again. Now, unfortunately, if you take a look at the same chart, where are we again? We still went down. So this is a good idea to lock in your profits. Nobody ever went broke taking profits, but it's just important for these levels so that you're aware of by next Friday. And then to finish this up, according to data from Bybit, or Bybit, however you say it, Bybit, there is a huge amount of call options at 2,200 with higher strikes. It means that Ether's price needs to be above 2,200 when the expiration takes place for these 97,000 call options to come into play. Otherwise, they'll be completely worthless. And also similarly, if the strike price at 2,100 at press time, Ethereum is consolidating near 2,400. So the upper hand is on the bullish side, but a lot can change in a week. So we're looking at $2,200. And just as we saw over here, Trade the Chain, we are looking at a price today at 22.42. Now look, in 7 days, a lot can change. But if you're taking a look at what could potentially happen, once we start to dip down below that, just be aware that we could see some downside volatility, but it is normal, and this is one of the reasons why. So let me know what you think in the comments.